Did you know that our nervous system is not just in charge of our mobility, amongst other things, but also our spirituality and sexuality? In short, it is a complex collection of nerves and specialized cells, also called neurons, that transmit signals between different parts of our body. In particular, our brain, our spine, our pelvic floor, and our pineal gland, aka the third eye. The nervous system is highly sensitive because it is plugged into higher vibrations and as such can be easily disrupted. The pineal gland produces the hormone melatonin, which is in charge of our sleep and wake cycle. Therefore, when our nervous system gets disrupted, we tend to struggle from sleeping problems and also suffer from nervousness. What else can affect our nervous system? Let me start. Stress, anxiety, depression, fears, antidepressants, drugs, metals, aluminium, fluoride, mercury, electronics, Wi-Fi, constant exposure to negative news. You want me to continue? Pretty much every damn thing we are constantly daily surrounded by. That's why it is so crucial to really protect it, because when your pineal gland, which is part of it, is blocked, so is your connection to your higher self and the divine, and you will feel it. So the best thing to really do is to monitor your inner dialogue, observe your thoughts, your emotions, and especially control what information you are allowing into your system and what kind of energy into your field. Personally, my nervous system is super sensitive. I can't even watch the news because it literally makes me angry. Also, I am very mindful with the energies I'm surrounding myself with because they really affect me. Now, what about sexuality? Well, our sexual arousal and climax are ultimately organized at the spinal level through the nerves in our pelvic floor. And this is particularly crucial for women because our sexual anatomy is so much more complex than those of men. The nerve strengths in our pelvic floor are organized and concentrated differently in different areas. And for every woman, this is again going to be unique. That's why many of us orgasm easily in certain positions, while in others, we almost feel nothing. And it's not necessarily personal preference, but more so biology. Neurotransmitters are produced in our brain and control our sexual function as well. Dopamine is in charge of our libido. So a high level of dopamine means high libido. A low level decreases it. Serotonin is in charge of our sexual arousal. That's why many people that have spine injuries and have their nerves affected really struggle from issues of sexual arousal and also performance. As you can see, everything is always connected and we have to be so mindful of our system and our entire being. That's why as a sensual confidence coach, I focus on all components: the mind, body, soul, and energy. Because we are spiritual beings, we are sexual beings in a human body, and we have to protect it. Sending you all so much love. Mwah.